Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad ala al-a'imma wal mahdiin wa sallim tasliman. I am Ali Kameni K. Mahinay from Zamboanga City, making this video to pledge allegiance to Imam Mahdi and to the Mahdiin, the messenger of Imam Ahmad al-Hasan alayhi salam, and the Qaim Abdullah Hashim Abbas Sadiq. I bear witness with that there is no God but Allah. I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger of Allah. I bear witness that Ali and Imam from his sons are the proof of Allah. I bear witness that Imam Mahdi and the Mahdis are the proof of Allah. I bear witness that Ahmad al-Hasan alayhi salam is truth. I bear witness that Abdullah Hashim Abbas Sadiq alayhi salam is truth. Upon this I shall live, upon this I shall die, and upon this I shall be resurrected again. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. A'immatil Wahdiin salamun alaihi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.